how to buy Roblox with Google Play gift card. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel TechPorn. In this video I'll show you how you can buy Roblox with Google Play gift card. To learn how to do it, please make sure to stick with us till the end of the video and follow our instructions correctly. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, go to your Roblox application on your mobile device. And right now I'm on home page of Roblox application, and you can see this Roblox icon which is around at the top right side of the screen, just besides of notification icon. Just tap on it, and here you will be able to buy Robux, and you can see pretty much option that you can buy. You will be able to buy from $0.49 to $199.99, and just choose it according to your choice. I'm going for $0.49, where I'll be able to get 40 Robux. Just tap on it, and here you can see that I have option to add credit or debit card, but it does not show me Google Play gift card option to redeem a code. How we can get that? First, you need to add credit or debit card, and you will be able to see option to redeem code on your Google Play gift card on Roblox, and you will be able to redeem your Google Play gift card on Roblox. But I'll show you next option how you can do it directly. Go to your Play Store on your mobile device and tap on your profile icon which is around at the top right side of the screen. Just tap on it and tap on option that says payments and subscriptions. Just tap on it, and here you will be able to see option that says redeem code. Just tap on it and just type on your gift card code, and here you will be able to redeem your code, and it will apply on your Roblox account as well. So I hope it was very easy to buy Roblox with your Google Play gift card. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to drop like and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep posting videos like this. See you in the next video.